Welcome to IELTS Speaking with Diana. Today let's to have a talk about 10 common phrasal verbs when you talk about your daily routine. It is always not impressive to use common words, so try to include these phrasal verbs in your talk. Okay, let's have a look. First one is come over. That means visit to a place or person. For example, I am glad to come over here. Another use of come over is it denotes a particular type of person. For example, he came over here as nervous. Second one is turn up. A better situation or an opportunity will come unexpectedly. For example, I expect a new job will turn up soon. It's an expectation that something good will happen unexpectedly. Next is get on or get along. That means have a good relation with someone or something. She is get on with her busy schedule. Or you can say she is get on with her daughter. I have to get on with my cooking. Okay, another we have squeeze in. That means find time for something. If we are very busy, we find out time to meet someone or try to do something at a particular time. Find time for something. I can excuse you in after my appointment. Or this week I am very busy, even though I can excuse you in on Tuesday. Next, fit in. Fit in means to adapt with the situation or be in harmony with other situation. For instance, I don't think that I fit in with his plans. Or you can say I have to fit in with my new course or new environment, whatever. Fit in means it's just an adaptation to be in harmony with other situation. Next is hang on. Hang on means wait or continue doing something. For example, hang on a moment. I'll get my diary. Or I should hang on with this course. Next, stick to. Stick to means without change or cessation. Without change or cessation. For example, stick to your diet plan, you will lose weight. Stick to your diet plan, you will lose weight. Eighth one is put on. Put on means apply. Put on my makeup. Put on my coat and went out. Put on my new dress. Next is go for. Go for means like or prefer. I go for comedy programs. I usually go for that particular restaurant. I always go for positive news. Go for means it's a preference. What do you prefer? Last one is reflect on. Reflect on that denotes think carefully about. Think carefully about something. I reflect on my childhood, or you can say I reflect on my college days. I reflect on the day. These are about phrasal verbs. These words usually we can use when we talk about daily routine, or in our usual conversation we can use this phrasal verb. These are very simple. I hope you understood this video. If you like this, please share and subscribe. See you in my next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye.